Here's how you can fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed. If MetaTrader 5 shows an authorization failed message when you try to log in, there are a couple of things you can try. First, open your iPhone settings and select General, then iPhone Storage. Find MetaTrader 5 in the list of installed apps and open it. Select Offload App, then confirm the action. This removes the app while keeping its documents and data. Once the process is complete, select Reinstall App and wait for MetaTrader 5 to finish installing. After reinstalling, open MetaTrader 5 and try signing in again. Go to the Account section and choose the option to add or log in to an existing account. Search for your broker and select the correct broker server. When entering your account information, make sure you're using the correct login number, password, and server. Enter the details manually instead of relying on saved information, and double check every character before signing in. That's all for this video. Thanks.